Designing high quality tees just got a whole lot easier.
Guys, look at these t-shirt designs, right? And these are not just for inspiration. Every single one of these, you can go in and in a matter of seconds, customize them to look exactly how you want. And you don't have to download any software or anything. My name is Gary. This is T-Shirt Help Desk, and the video starts right now.
T-Shirt Help Desk.
Things like Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity might be a thing of the past. Guys, we're going to be talking about Kittl, and I think it's a game changer. Let's check it out.
All right, guys, this is Kittl. All right. So you can go up here and you can look and see the different things that you can do: cards, posters, labels, logos, all. But we are going to focus right here on t-shirts. So let's click right here. And guys, look at this. Look at all these fantastic designs. And the thing about a lot of designs is that a lot of design places, they have designs, but the designs are they're not the best. These are designs that I think that, you know, your audience would want, right? And you can go in here and you can start to sort. Like, this is animals. Look at this. '60s retro. I hope you guys can look at this. I mean, look at this. Hope you guys can look at this and begin to see the possibilities. Holidays, mascots, music, outdoor. Let's go to outdoor. I mean, hope you guys can see the possibilities, right? So let's put in, I know they have music. Let's just put in concert. Look at this. All right, look at this. Now, your actual category, that depends on what you want to get into. There's all type of different ways that you could, choose your niche.
I remember doing videos on doing Pinterest searches and Google image searches for cool t-shirt graphics, right? Well, guess what? It's all built in, and all you have to do is just click on one and make it your own.
And this is bookmarked. And I went in and I saved a bunch of ones that I really, really liked, right? So let's see what we're gonna do. I just did outdoor. Let's see if we can find some text. Oh, look at this one. I mean, look at this design. Cobra to snakes. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller so it can fit. Invincible to watch for those. Come on. So that's cutting in. So we're going to go to custom. Trying to do this quick. Watch out for those. I'm just trying to do this quick, guys. grass. Watch out for those snakes in the grass. And I'm going to make that grass bigger. And I'm going to go in, let's see what we can add to this bad boy. Now, if you look right here, all of the colors, right, for this entire graphic are right down here, right? So if we click on this, you're going to see these colors, right? So we're going to go right here. Click right there and boom, look at that, right? Watch out for those snakes in the grass. That right there, guys, is a t-shirt that took me, what, a couple minutes, right? So there's so much excellent stuff that you can do with this thing. It is beyond words. I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit. I suggest you go in and get you an account. There's a free account. And so guys, I just wanted to, so look at that, guys, an absolutely amazing graphic that you did, what, a couple minutes, right? So many things with you. All right, guys, check that out. Look at that, an awesome graphic that we did in like what, a couple minutes? Guys, this thing is so, so powerful.
Also, something that is amazing is that you're not just limited to the things that they give you and the elements that they give you. You can add your own.
So I went and I found this really cool skateboard graphic. You see the skeleton skateboarding, right? And I went over to uploads, and you can see you can upload PNG files, JPEGs, and SVGs. I have an SVG. I just click right there and it uploads, right? This is my logo. And you can just take it and drag and drop, boom, and it's right there. But hold on. It gets better. So I go up and I change that from smoking to t-shirt, right? Because, you know, this t-shirt help desk. And then I go down and I pull my logo over here. And since it's an SVG file, guess what I did? Guess what I could do? I can change the color. So this is like Photoshop Illustrator, guys, right? All in one place. You don't have to download anything. And guys, to me, this is way better than Canva. Like I said, game changer.
Now guys, there is a free version of this. It doesn't do as much as the paid versions, but guys, it is so much more affordable than like Creative Cloud and a lot of these other things, and you could do virtually the same things, right? So the link is going to be down in the description box. I suggest you guys go get yourself a free account and follow along, you know, pause it, follow along, and see what you can do.
So guys, I did a lot of different styles with this. I didn't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to show you a couple of things. This is one where I changed, it was like a motorcycle graphic to, it was like a motorcycle club to a t-shirt club, right? Look at that. The next one was a pre-made boxing graphic, right? I'm a big fan of boxing. It's also known as the sweet science. So I went in and I changed it from just saying boxing to the sweet science. And then I changed the colorways. You can play with the fonts and do a whole bunch of other things, but I made it like a purple, really like that too. Then this next one was really groovy. I went and I changed it to positive vibes only, which is a really popular saying in t-shirts, right? And it's got the big hand with the peace signs. I really like this. And look how you can go in and just like Illustrator, you can go in and play around with those fonts and put them in exactly the type spaces that you want to do. I mean, this thing is bananas. And also they had something with outdoor. So I went in, I found this one, start playing with the fonts. Look at all the stuff that you can do. You can also add distressing. I mean, it is crazy. What you can do with this thing and how you can play with these fonts, like I said, it is on par with any of those really expensive programs, and you could just go to the website, right? Not have to download anything and begin to make things happen.
Now guys, I can't get into everything. There's so much here. I don't want the video to be too long. This is just an overview. But if you want me to do a full tutorial, let me know down in the comments, all right? So guys, Kittl, I suggest that you go check it out. The link's gonna be down in the description box. Make yourself some really cool designs, all right? I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door.
Oh, check out this video I did on starting a t-shirt business for 300 little bucks, right?
I think you are really going to enjoy it. Until next time, peace.
T-shirt help desk.